Hey, I'm LJ with today's adventure stop. Are you ready for today's adventure? Come on, let's go. Good morning and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at home. And today is a little bit of an errand, chore / moving day. Are you ready for today's adventure? Come along with me. Let's go. And my buddy here, Cricket, knows what's up. He's a little riled up and he is bouncing off the walls because he knows today is partial moving day. We still have about another 2 weeks to get out of here, but I like to be organized, and so I'm just kind of taking my time and slowly packing things up here at the homestead. I just have a few of the small personal items, last minute things. Most of the cabinets are slowly starting to be cleared out with, again, just some last minute things that I'll be using for the next week or two. Utensils, dishes, and whatnot, but a lot of the things are already packed and ready to go, including a lot of the stuff down there. So some of the stuff is going in storage and some of this is getting transferred over to Las Vegas. Edgar, do you want to be packed up? What about you, Cricket? Do you want to be packed up as well? You're coming along for the ride, aren't you? Why are you angry, bro? Why are you mad? Don't eat that. I'll pick that little crumb up. Yeah, he knows what's up. That's why he's acting up. He is 9 years old. He's gonna be 10 this July. Can you believe that? I know, me either. Right, Crick? And as of today's video date, Thursday, February 8th, 2024. Again, I ended up buying like 20 to 25 of these boxes from Walmart. This is the same size as you'll find at Home Depot and Lowe's, but heck of a deal for $1 each instead of $1.60, $1.18. I don't know, whatever they cost, but it's the cheapest you'll find around. And do I have quite the collection of Yetis here. And I'm kind of weird because I like to purpose them for different things. Like this one, I only put water in, just like my other favorite one right now that a friend gave me. This one here, I only put water in for now. Same thing, for whatever reason, I only put water or lemonade in this one. Whereas like this one, I'll put whatever in there. I'll put coffee, I'll put soup. Same thing for this one, I'll put coffee. This one is water only. This used to be my work one I used every single day. And this one is kind of also mixed with water or lemonade only. And the reason is because sometimes they stain inside and then you have to scrub them out with like vinegar and baking soda. Whereas like certain ones that I like more than others, I just put ice water in there only. Weird, I know.
3 weeks later.
And here we are at the storage unit. Gonna drop some boxes off and see where the day leads us after that. Home sweet home. All right, and again, it's just temporary, a temporary hold, a temporary jail cell for my stuff for the time being. All right, onward with the day. At the car wash, and it's instructing me to please pull slowly into the wash. Remember, roll up the window. And stop. And what's really cool is this one here I have a membership with, and I pay just the minimum, which is $19.99 a month, and you can run it through once a day, and it's touch free. I don't really like the ones that have those silicone brushes that actually make contact with your vehicle. So if you think about it, this is more like a pressure washer system, which I don't mind. And when the car gets real dirty, I get out there with my microfiber cloths and I wipe the windows and the body down, but not today. It's a quick little rinse off because we're expecting more rain, I think, in a few more days. So we're just gonna go for a quick little rinse off. And that, my friends, is the secret to having a clean car all the time. It's that easy. Onward we go.
6.5 hours later.
All right, just topping off on fuel and gonna hit the road to Nevada. Current gas price here, $4.59. Yes, I'd like a receipt. Thank you. Just a little top off and hitting the road. It takes about 4.5 to 5 hours if there's no traffic. I usually stop once or twice to use the bathroom, so on the road we go. Always keep the receipts. Can use it for a tax write-off. Let's go. Doing a pit stop at one of my normal spots here, Eddie World in Yermo. A little breezy out here. They're open till 11:45 p.m. Clean bathrooms, decent snacks, little munchies for the road, stuffed animals galore. But what I mostly like is the chill music of the 80s in there. And yes, I'm a regular. And so many hot sauces you can choose from. And it's really cool. Back here is a piece of the actual Lakers floor. All right, and as Under Pressure plays copyright music, we're under pressure to hit the road. And off in the distance, as the pups go take their break, I decided to get a little sweet treat this time. I love these things. It's made by Sweet. They're imported. I forgot where they come from. Turkey. And they're really hard to find. Sometimes you can find them at Walmart and they're only like $3.29, but over here it's a premium $6.99. But these are delicious, super sour. Good quality too, because I think they're made with sugar and actually, yeah, cane sugar instead of high fructose corn syrup like most candies are. Delicious. Well, that's a pretty cool rare sight. Out here is the Ivan Parr Dry Lake Bed. It's near State Line or the city of Primm, right where California and Nevada meet. Well, this here is a dry lake bed. However, we had so much rain, it's not dry right now. There's actually a lake out there. You can see the reflection on the water from the lights at the casinos straight ahead at State Line. That's very awesome. kids, we made it! Off in the distance, I see the lights of the city of Las Vegas, our destination. So we started the morning in Orange County, and now here we are ending the day right before midnight here in Las Vegas. Hey, if you like today's adventure, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Do me a favor and subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next adventure.